Assalamu alaikum, dear kids. I'm your science teacher, Miss Sehrish Javed. I hope that you all are fine by the grace of God. Kids, as you know that our new session has been started and you are in grade 2 now. So, in grade 2, you are going to learn about so many new things. So kids, let's see what we are going to learn today. So kids, today we are going to learn about unit number 1, the human body. Kids, as you know that we all are human. So today we are going to learn about ourselves. So kids, tell me, what is at the top of your body? Yes, it's brain. Kids, your brain is basically the boss of your body, as it controls everything you do, like learning, thinking, feeling, dancing, breathing, sit, stand. Anything you do is just because of brain. So, brain is the essential or important organ in our body. Your brain is smarter than any computer ever built. So, here the question arises, how does the brain manage all these things? Basically, हमारा brain हमारे sense organ से messages receive करता रहता है. Like it receives messages from eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin. Whatever your eyes see, the message will be sent to the brain and your brain tells you what have you seen. And brain takes no time to tell your body what to do. Kids, the biggest part of your brain is called the cerebrum. The cerebrum is divided into two halves. One on the left side, the other on the right side. As you can see the picture of the brain on your book, this is your brain. And the biggest part of your brain is called cerebrum. And as you can see, the cerebrum is divided into two parts. The right side helps you to think about things like colors, music, and shapes. The left side helps you with all the brainy things like maths and science words and language. For example, which color is this? Yes, it's yellow. Which color is this? It's red. Which color is this? It's blue. So who tells us about these colors? Yes, the right side of our brain. Then whatever you listen, whatever you see, your brain tells you about all these things. And the left side helps us to do the brainy things. For example, 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Yes. Who tells you the answer? Yes, the left side of your brain tells you the answer. Page number 5. The right side of your brain controls the left side of your body. The left side of your brain controls the right side. Whatever you are doing with your right hand, for example, you're writing with your right hand, you're eating with your right hand, your left side of the brain is controlling your right side. And if you're writing with your left hand, your right side of the brain is controlling your left side. So kids, this is how our brain works. And I hope that you have understand that what is the reason that we can do all these things. So kids, let's come to the new topic, heart. Kids, put your hand on your chest just a little to the left. You will feel a little movement here, like thump thump. Yes, this is your heart. Kids, our heart is one of the most vital or important organ of the body. Do you know why our heart is important? Or how does the heart works? Kids, every part of our body needs blood to make us alive, to keep us alive. So, the function of the heart is to pump blood around your body. हमारी पूरी बॉडी में ब्लड को सप्लाई करना हार्ट का काम है। हार्ट इज मेड अप ऑफ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग मसल्स। हार्ट बहुत ही स्ट्रॉन्ग मसल से मिलकर बना है। So kids, here the question arises that how does our heart pump blood? हमारा हार्ट ब्लड कैसे पंप करता है? Our heart squeeze and relax to pump blood to every part of the body. Kids, the example of squeeze and relax movement is just like if you have a balloon that does not have much air left in. अगर आपके पास एक बलून हो और उसमें ज़्यादा एयर ना हो, if you press the balloon, अगर आप उस बलून को प्रेस करें, that press movement is called squeeze. And when you let the balloon, that movement is called relax. So, this is squeeze and relax. In the same way, your heart squeeze and relax to pump blood around your body. Kids, the blood that your heart pumps around your body carries oxygen and all the food, vitamins and minerals that your body needs. As you know that oxygen is the very important gas that keeps us alive. So, the oxygen that we inhale mix with our blood and जो फूड हम खाते हैं उसमें से सारे vitamins and minerals हमारे ब्लड में मिक्स होते हैं एंड हमारा हार्ट उस ब्लड को हमारी पूरी बॉडी में पंप करता है. At the same time, the blood picks up things that your body does not need. And उसी टाइम पे आपकी बॉडी में ऐसी चीज़ें जिनकी आपकी बॉडी को ज़रूरत नहीं है, ब्लड उन चीज़ों को आपकी बॉडी से निकालता है. These are carried to the lungs and kidneys from where they leave the body. And वो unwanted things हमारे lungs और kidneys में से होकर हमारी बॉडी में से बाहर निकल जाती हैं. For example, carbon dioxide is a gas जिसकी हमारी बॉडी को ज़रूरत नहीं है, तो वो हमारे lungs में से होकर हमारी बॉडी से बाहर निकल जाती है. एंड हमारी किडनीज हमारी बॉडी का सारा वेस्ट यानी वो चीज़ें जिनकी हमारी बॉडी को ज़रूरत नहीं होती वो हमारी बॉडी से बाहर निकाल देती हैं. Kids, have you noticed? When you run or do some other sort of exercise, your heart beats faster. जब आप भागते या किसी किस्म की कोई एक्सरसाइज करते हैं तो आपका हार्ट बहुत तेज़ी से बीट करता है. Do you know what its reason? क्या आप जानते हैं कि इसकी वजह क्या है? That is because your heart has to pump the blood around your body faster. Because हमारा हार्ट हमारी बॉडी को ब्लड तेज़ी से सप्लाई कर रहा होता है. So kids, this is how our heart works. I hope that you have understand that how your brain and your heart works. So kids, this is your first lecture homework. You have to do this homework in your neat science copies. You have to write date, day. You have to draw a neat margin line. Then you have to write unit number 1, the human body. Topics: brain, heart. Kids, don't mention the page on the copy. Next, you have to answer these questions. Question number 1. What is the cerebrum? As we have learnt in the lesson, yes, the biggest part of our brain is called the cerebrum. Question number 2. What is the function of the heart? The heart pumps blood around the body. Kids, this is your first lecture homework. You have to write these 2 questions in your neat science copies. So kids, I hope that you have understand all the things very well. That's all for today. Take care and Allah Hafiz.